DJN TV.
Uganda president wins election for the 6th time. My sabi person, hello. Thank you wey dey follow us for DJM TV daily news update. That one channel where they give una hot gist and stories where they happen around us for our country and even for our continent of Africa. The story wey we carry come today na about one of our countries here for Africa wey they call Uganda. Uganda na one country for East Africa, and their president wey they call Yoweri Museveni don win election again for the 6th time. This guy don dey for power since the year 1986. Make we tell una small thing about the incumbent president of Uganda. Dem born the guy for the year 1944 on the 15th of September. That means he dey 76 years. And he belong to the National Resistance Party movement. The guy don tey when he dey for politics. So even before he become president, he break away from the main opposition. He go form his own party when he want to comot this Amin wey dey invade Uganda from Tanzania. He be one of the people wey fight against the dictatorship for Uganda. Now all those struggles dem na come bring am into power for the year 1986, and he don be president since the year 1986 even till 2021 when they redo election, when he come win election again for the 6th time. Well, the opponent for the election na one guy wey dem dey call Bobby Wine. Dat na him nickname. The guy na politician, singer, actor and businessman. He dey serve as a member of the parliament for the country. Na him dey also dey lead the People Power Our Power movement, wey be the main opposition party to the President Yoweri group. He announce him candidature for 2019, say he go contest against the president for 2021 election. They born this guy for the 12th of February 1982. He na 38 years old, and na him form the National Unity Platform. He don marry and he get 4 children. He na musician, he dey dance, he dey also dey do drama. He get a degree for law from the International University of West Africa. The guy don come outside court us say he dey worry for his life and that of his wife, say because they don suspend the Facebook account and the Twitter account because of the election matter. He say e don reach 4 days now since when the military dey surround the house and they put him and his wife under house arrest. He say their food supply don finish, and when his wife wan try to pick food from their garden, the soldier wey dey for position for the front of the compound come block and assault am. He say everybody including media and party officials dem don dey restricted from reaching am. He say they don arrest a person wey be a vice for outside the gate as he wan come him house. Say soldier beat the person well and the person now dey for hospital. Well, Bobby Wine come tell news people say he go reject the result of the election sake of say they not do in a very correct way. Say he called dey accuse the president, say they get plenty irregularities for the election there, and violence happened during the campaign for the election. So dozens of people dey leg over. Say even before the voting day sef, the government don shut down internet so that election monitors no go fit monitor the election. When they release the result of the election, Bobby Wine don come outside court say he don reject the result of Uganda for January 14 presidential election, and he don call himself the president-elect. Bobby Wine, wey be the opposition candidate, say this na the worst vote rigging election for Uganda history. He declare say the struggle just dey begin as he go address people on the way forward. He come tell news people to say the country military don put him home under siege, as even put himself and his wife under house arrest. They no fit allow people to even come visit am at all. So even when their food supply finish sef, they no even let them go outside go pick food supplies. Despite the closure of the internet, the Uganda Electoral Commission still go ahead to announce the result. He say where they come there, say the country no need internet to broadcast their results. Say they go use the system. Say the result they accurate and they release am first hand to show say the president na him win the election. Bobi Wine come tell people to say the electoral commission no just get respect at all for the Uganda people voice. Well, the president don come outside come to say the election was free and fair. He say in fact this na the best election wey he don ever see since he be president now. And this election as he win am so, he don give am 5 more years to be president of the country. Wey dem come say why e no allow foreign monitors to chook mouth for their matter. He come accuse the other region say why they go send agents come chook mouth for their politics. Say dem no go tolerate foreign people wey dey come chook mouth for their politics. Whether America don fit settle their own finish, say abi dem fit say na what Donald Trump dey do for that side, na dem wan come do for Africa. Say lie o, then if foreign interference na source of wealth, he say Africa for don be the richest country for the world. Sake of say Africa dey always go monitor people election. Well, election monitors dey come talk say they get few concerns about this election. Sake of say na only African Union mission na if fit monitor the election. They no allow international bodies to monitor the election. Well, the African Union and the United Nations, they say they're not sure say the thing dey free and fair. Say firstly, why they go shut down the internet before the election? Say all this one are part of plan for the woro wey go take place for the election. Well, Bobi Wine don come outside come to say im go dey happy to share videos of all the fraud and irregularities wey take place during the election as soon as they restore the internet for the country. Meanwhile, the spokesperson for the president don clap back at Bobi Wine. He say he come short of the expectation of Uganda. Say he no just get message for Bobi Wine and Ugandans. He say wetin he go tell them be say make dem wait a little longer. Say we dey challenge them. That's they challenge Bobi Wine. Make dem provide claim for election malpractice. Say he no just get any single evidence at all. Well, my people, for this matter, e get wetin I wan talk. I don't know why I be like say for Africa, our old leaders they no wan just comot for power at all. They no wan even give youth the chance to even lead. Now see wetin they do for Uganda now. How would they sure say they no go repeat this same, since it don't work for them? How would they sure say they no go repeat this same process for Nigeria and even other countries for their next election? Look at person don dey for power since 1976. Bobi Wine na small pikin when this man take over. Bobi Wine dey about 4 years when this man take over. And now Bobi Wine dey 38 years. He come contest with the same man wey be president when he be small pikin. Why e be like say our old African leaders, they no wan even leave power at all for the young ones? How you see this matter? Then they call do one thing where they just shock everybody. They shut down the internet for the full country so that they no go fit report cases of maybe fraud or whatever. I don't know what be their main reason why they do that thing. But you, how you see the matter? Drop your comment for the comment section because it is very important for us to know how you feel about this matter. Don't forget to like and to share this video with people. We still there here. We will give you more hot stories as you continue to follow us. My name is Lawo Favor for DJMT.
DJMTV. DJMTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJMTV.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJMTV. DJMTV.